Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to restrict debit balance for a party while billing in Logic ERP. So let's get started. Head to the Sales Voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here you will find the feature labeled as Do Not Allow Debit Balance of a Party While Billing. Let's keep this feature disabled and monitor its impact while billing. Let's generate a voucher in credit mode and save the bill. The bill has been successfully saved in credit mode. Now, let's review its ledger report. The ledger posting has been reflected in the Logic ERP account. Let's go back to the Sale Voucher configuration and enable the feature. Enabling this feature restricts bill generation for parties in credit mode. Billing is permitted only in cash mode or when an advance payment has been received from the party. Let's attempt to generate the bill in credit mode again. Upon saving the bill, the software prompts an error message stating that the party balance will become a debit and cannot allow saving. In this scenario, the bill can only be saved in cash mode. Following this modification, the bill was successfully saved. Let's have a glimpse at its ledger. As you can see, the ledger posting has been successfully reflected in the cash in hand account. Let's explore a scenario where payment is received from the party in advance. We have already entered the advance payment in the bank receipts. Let's have a glimpse of it. As you can see, an advance payment of 3,600 rupees has been received from the respective party. Accordingly, a sales bill can now be generated for this party in credit mode, up to the amount of 3,600 rupees. The software initially prevented the bill from being saved because the bill value exceeded the advance payment amount. To resolve this, let's change the amount according to the advance amount. The sale bill has now been successfully saved. Let's review its posting in the ledger. The ledger reflects the advance payment amount along with the corresponding adjustment amounts.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.